Log into your Softr account and head to the Applications page to get started with adding a team section. This is a fantastic feature for any business, organization, or project-based app because it puts real faces to your brand, building immediate trust with your audience. When visitors see the people behind the work, they feel a stronger connection, and it makes your application feel more personal and credible. If you find this guide helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Once you're logged in, look for the Applications link in the left sidebar and click on it. This will bring up a list of all the Softr apps you've created, which might include a membership portal, a client dashboard, or a simple landing page. Find the specific application you want to edit and open it by clicking on its name. After the app loads, your next stop is the Pages section, also in the left sidebar. This is where you manage all the different screens your users will see, from the home page to any internal dashboards. Click Pages to reveal the full list. Now locate the page where you want the team section to appear. This could be an About Us page, a leadership page, or even a landing page footer. Click on that page to open it in the Softr editor. The editor gives you a live preview of your page, and you can scroll through it just like you would on a live website. Take your time to find the exact spot where you envision the team section. It's a good practice to think about the natural flow of your page. Placing team information after your mission statement or value proposition often works well, as it gives context to the people who make it happen. When you've found the perfect location, click the plus button that appears at that spot. This small but powerful button opens the block library, which is your toolkit for adding all kinds of content to your page. Think of it as a menu of pre-built components, from simple text blocks to complex lists and sections. From the library, you'll want to navigate to the website category in the right sidebar. This filters the blocks to show only those designed for website-style pages, which is where the team block lives. Scroll down within this category until you see the team label, then click the See All link. This expands the view to show you every single team layout Softr offers. Here's where the fun begins. Browse through the available team block layouts. You'll see a variety of styles, some with large profile photos and detailed bios, others with smaller cards and just names and titles. Some layouts are arranged in a grid, while others might use a carousel or a single row display. Think about the overall design of your application. If your app has a clean, minimal look, a simple grid with portrait photos and job titles might be the best fit. For a more story-driven brand, a layout that includes a short biography under each photo could be more effective. Click on the team block you like best, and Softr will automatically insert it into your page exactly where you place the plus button. Now that the block is on your page, it's time to make it your own. You'll see placeholder content, generic names, grayed out photo spots, and sample job titles. Click on any piece of text to edit it directly. Start with the team members' names, then their job titles. For photos, you'll usually have a media icon or the image itself to click on, which lets you upload a high-quality photo from your computer or choose one from your existing assets. A common mistake here is using low-resolution images or inconsistent photo styles. For a professional look, use headshots that are well lit and framed similarly. Square or portrait orientation works best. Crop them in advance to focus on the face, with the person looking friendly and approachable. After you've added names and photos, fill in the biographies. Keep these concise but meaningful. Instead of listing every past job, focus on each person's current role and specific expertise. For a developer, mention their tech stack or a key project they led. For a designer, talk about their design philosophy. This targeted information builds credibility and helps visitors understand who does what. Finally, explore the layout and styling options. Softr usually lets you adjust the section's background color, text alignment, and padding. Match these to your brand's color scheme and fonts. If your app uses a dark theme, consider a lighter background for the team section to make the photos pop, or vice versa. Once you've finished customizing, take a step back and review the entire team section. Check that all names are spelled correctly, that job titles are formatted consistently, for example, all uppercase or all title case, and that no biographies are cut off or missing. Inconsistencies here can undermine the trust you're trying to build. After your review, use Softr's preview feature to see how the section looks on different screen sizes. Click the preview icon, usually found in the top right corner. Check the desktop view first, then switch to tablet and mobile views. On mobile, you want to make sure the layout doesn't squish the photos or make the text too small to read. Many team blocks automatically stack into a single column on narrow screens. but it's worth verifying that the design remains clean and functional. When everything looks good across devices, go ahead and publish your changes. Your team section is now live, putting real faces to your brand and inviting visitors to connect with the people behind your work. After publishing, a great next step is to add linking to your team members' LinkedIn profiles or portfolio websites, if your chosen block supports it. You could also consider adding a small Meet the Team heading above the section for better context. Bookmark this video or save these steps for your next app update, because you'll likely want to showcase new hires or refresh the photos as your team grows. Thanks for following along and happy building.